What's up guys, welcome back to Rumah Belajar AhundrEd. In this video I'm going to share with you about the question and how do you find the equation of tangent to the curve, and then how do you solve the volume solid when the solid is rotate, the curve is rotated to x-axis. Okay, so let's redo the question. The diagram show point A 0, 4. This is point A, right? And point B 2, 1. And on the curve y equals to 8 over 3x plus 2, this is the curve. Y equals to 8 over 3x plus 2. The tangent to the curve at B, tangent to the curve of B, this one, cross axis at C. So this is the tangent to the curve. It means there are line equation. I mean the straight line. This is in here, right? Tangent to the curve. Boom. So it's go like this. Yeah. And the coordinate of D is 0, 2. Okay. So how do you find the equation of the tangent to the curve at B, and hence so that the area of the triangle BDC, so and you find the tangent, the line equation, right? Find the equation of the tangent, and how do you find, and how you saw that the area of the BDC, that's equals to 4 over 3. Okay, now, and for II, so that the volume of the solid form when the shaded region OBDA, or this one, right? This is rotate completely about the x-axis is 8, 5. Okay, so how do you find the line equation for when tangent the tangent at the curve at B, right? Okay, so to find the line equation, first of all you need to find the gradient of the tangent, right? So to find the gradient means we find the derivative of the curve. So y, we find the first derivative of y, and then after that, in tangent at B is 2, 1. It means we substitute the value of 2 in this dy dx, or the first derivative, and then you can get the gradient. Why we need to find the gradient? Because line equation, you know, right? You know what? In line equation we have y equals to mx plus c. So m means represent the gradient. So to find the gradient, I repeat it again. So to find the gradient, to find the line equation, first you need to find the gradient m. Okay, to find the gradient, you use the first derivative of the curve, and then you substitute the point in the gradient, in the tangent. Okay, now how do you find the first derivative of y equals to 8 over 3x plus 2? In this case, this one, it's look like we derivative u over v, right? So dy, or dy dx, or you can use dy dx, that's equals to u over v. So when u over v means, if you want to derivative u over v, it means you have u prime v, or minus u v prime u over with v square. Okay, in this case our u equals to 8, right? And v equals to 3x plus 2, and then u prime, or the first derivative of u, it's 0, and the first derivative of v, it's 3, and then you put it here to find the dy dx, right? So it means that u prime v, it means 0 times 3, v prime, right? So 0 times 3x plus 2, Okay, I put it here. So 0 times 3x plus 2, and then you minus with u v prime. U v prime, it means 8 times with 3, right? Times with 3. Yeah, v prime is 3. So you over with v square. V square, it means 3x plus 2 square. Then we have negative 24 over v square. You can write it as, or you can put it like this, 3x plus 2 square. So this is the first derivative of the y dx of the curve. And then to find the gradient means you substitute the value of x in this dy dx, right? So when you substitute that one, so when our x equals to 2, then our gradient is negative 24 over 6 times 2 is, yeah, 6 times 2, sorry, 3 times 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 square is 24, right? So I mean 64, and then this one, that's equals to, everything you divide it with 8, you have 3 over 8. So our made gradient or m equals to 8 negative 3 over 8. And then because we already have the gradient, so now we find the y-intercept, or you can find c here. Find c, use that point. So we use point 2 comma 1 to find the c. Okay, so 2 comma 1 means 2 is represent x and 1 is represent y. So it means you put it 1 is y equals to mx. Our m is negative 3 over 8. Our x is 2, right? So you flash with c. And then to find c, it means 1 plus this one is 6 over 8, right? 6 over 8 or equals to 3 over 4. Or you can write down c equals to, okay, so you put it here, 1 plus 3 over 4, and that equals to c equals to 7 over 4. Then our line equation, or line equation of the tangent is y equals to mx. Our m is negative 3 over 8x, and then place with 7 over 4. This is we call the line equation of the tangent, right? Then we need some space, right? Okay, so for this video, I'm going to show you in this eye, and I will go to the next video. I will show you how to solid volume solid when the steady region OAB is rotated completely about the x-axis is 8 5, right? Okay, so in this video I'm just go share with you this about a, because you need to some space to do this one, and I will explain this in the next another video. Okay, so we continue. Hence, and so that the area of the triangle BDC is 4 over 3. Okay, it means we need to find the area of triangle this one, right? So when I this one, so we need to find this area. So to find area, it means you need to find what x here. So x, this one is equals to what, and then you can find the length of this, right? Length of this, and then this one is already now, we already know the length of BD is equals to 1, right? Because this is y, but you need to find this length. So when this equals to 2, and then you need to find c. So to find this length is c x over 2. So you find for x first. So to find for x, it means this line is equals to 3 negative 3 over 8x plus 7 over 4 means you put it when y equals to 0 in this case, right, in this equation, so you can get what is x, right, what x is, I mean. So when you put it y equals to 0, so 0, that's 0 equals to 3 negative 3 over 8x negative 3 over 8x. You're left with 7 over 4, right? So it means that our x equals to negative 3. So you put it negative, you put negative 3 here. So it means you have 3 over 8x equals to 7 over 4. Then our x equals to, so you put it here, so 7 over 4 you multiply with 8 over 3, right? So this is like this. So this is 2, it's 14. So our x equals to 14 over 3. So our x here is 14 over 3. But you need to, if you want to find this line, means you minus with 2. So 7, so to find this line, so 14 over 3, you subtract with 2 to find this line. So to subtract with that, you have 8 over 3. So because 3 times 2 is 6, 14 minus 6 is 8. So 8 over 3 for this line. So 8 over 3. So the find area of this because this one is a triangle means what is the formula of triangle or area equals to 1 over 2 times with base. Let's say our base is 8 over 2. So our 8 over 3. You multiply with the height. Our height is 1. So it means that we have 8 over 6, right? 8 over 6 means we have 4 over 3. Then it's shown in this one. Okay, bro. This is for I, 1I. Okay, I will continue this video for showing what for II. Okay, I hope you understand this concept, and good luck for you, and see you in the next video. Thank you.